Government of Nigeria needed to do better than they have done in the case of Nnamdi Kanu and the Southeast people. In the chamber, you cover the plenary. Every time jokes are made on me about marginalization of Southeast people, because that's what I've been standing up against in the chamber. To the extent that sometimes I will be asked, the president officer will say, I hope the Southeast people are not marginalized anymore. I'll say, yes, if you do something that is good, I'll be happy. Conscience is an open wound. Only the truth can heal it. What has happened to Nnamdi Kanu is a total disregard of good approach to governance. Yes, they will say people are being killed in the Southeast. They are the Eastern Security Network. When did the Eastern Security Network come up? How many years ago? Because government didn't want to deal with the matter the way they had to deal with it, people continued to do all kinds of things, and the Eastern Security Network came up, all in the bid to fight because they are not happy with what has happened to Nnamdi Kanu and the rest of it. Let me believe that now that he has been jailed, government will now begin to review the actions and the steps the federal government of Nigeria has taken on this matter. It's not something started by the government of Tinubu, but today he's the president of Nigeria, and he is in a position to right the wrongs of the past leaders. What started like a small thing has snowballed into a global issue. You know, if government had listened the way Lawal Daura, the then DG SSS, was approaching the matter, this matter of IPOB would have been arrested long ago. But because some people felt otherwise, they want to push it to the limit, and now that they have gotten to where they are, I pray that God will help to find peace